What's going on, everybody? I just want to make a little quick video, give a quick update and everything. First off, just want to update on the 721 Scuderia Gen 2. Let me get this out the bag. Just let a couple fellas know and stuff. I haven't forgot about it and haven't forgot about y'all and stuff. Like I said, I only got about 5 tanks on the break-in stand through this engine and stuff. And trouble-free. I reduced the idle gap on the first tank just to bring the idle down a little bit, because, you know, basically on the break-in bench is not that much resistance and everything. There's some, but not that much from the propeller and stuff. So just brought the idle down a little bit, and she ran very, very reliably from the get-go. So as you see, I got the Res Tetra 3.0 clutch system. It's the aluminum flywheel, all aluminum shoes. Res 13 tooth vented clutch bell. Got everything mounted up. She's ready to go, ready to be put inside it, you know, a kit, and had a break-in finished and everything. So I'll be getting to this shortly. I was hoping to get to it this weekend, but you know, a couple things happened and stuff, and you know, my son had to go to work and everything, so on and so forth. So, you know, I was supposed to go to a Father's Day, basically a little cookout and everything for Father's Day, because it got sort of canceled last weekend. So they moved it to this weekend and everything. But one of my sons, he ended up having to work today, so I had to take him there and I gotta pick him up. So we sort of missed that and everything. But got something in the mail today, and it's my second Res engine. And this is, like I said, inspired by David RC. I seen what he was doing and stuff, and he basically picked up something that I was interested in. I heard the announcement and everything months ago and stuff, and I don't know after that announcement if they had a shipment that went out, but basically I wasn't able to get it when they announced this particular product and stuff. So then when I seen your video, David RC, I was like, boom, they got them in stock. I need to go ahead and get one. So I hurry up, pulled the trigger and stuff, you know. And so let's crack this open. And for anybody who doesn't know David RC, basically check his channel out. For the guys who already seen David RC's channel, you probably already know what this is about to be. But let's go ahead and crack this open. And see if we can get that in there. I'm gonna get it out the bag for y'all. So basically another Scuderia, but this is the 723 Truggy edition. And like I said, I wanted to get this when I first heard about it because I have the Argus 23. And I wanted to find an engine that I'm trying to think of the right words. More or less to find another 23 that I could directly compare to the Argus 23. Now, that being said, this should be made of way higher quality, not way, but more higher quality materials. Obviously, it's got the DLC coated crank. The Argus doesn't have that. Diamond coated, black diamond coated back plate. Try saying that 3 times fast. And they came with the piston at bottom dead center. I can feel that. Let's see what Venturi has in here. .0 Venturi. Now, I do know I run 8.0 Venturi and the Argus. So, to compare apples to apples, I may have to pick up another Venturi for this. But just wanted y'all to see this and everything. Just shoot a quick video. Don't want to take up too much of y'all time and stuff. But a shout out to Corey. Y'all go check out his channel, EKJ 24,000. Corey's been like big and instrumental in me getting on the Reds wagon and stuff, along with Family Affair, along with David RC. And another shout out, RR. Y'all go check out his channel. It's AR-AR, I believe. Y'all go check out his channel. He's another one who, he's had nothing but high praise for the Reds company, and I'm pretty sure each one of those guys have found some negative things about a certain product or whatever, but at the same time, just the overall experience with the product line that they've been dealing with from this company, all of them guys have been very satisfied from what I can tell. So I said, well, you know what? Let me go ahead and check them out and everything. So just wanted to bring this to y'all and stuff. Hope everybody having a good weekend, And shout out to everybody who checked the videos out. Shout out to everybody who made comments and everything. I try to comment back and everything and stuff, with everybody, try to interact with everybody and stuff. So, just shout out to anybody who come across this, Shout out to you. You're good. Do you. For everybody who watches this video, do you. That's the only thing I can say. With that being said, I'll holler at y'all on the next one. All right.